So, unboxing video. Got some Rubik's cubes. Let me just... Let's go. Yes, let's do this. Okay, so first of all, this. We've got the product information, and let's just go. I'll start with this. This is the 8x8. It is from Moyu. This is my first 8x8. My biggest cube until this was a 7x7. Oh, rip. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Guess it's an 8x8. Let's just try it out. I don't think it's magnetic. Okay, it feels stiff, that's for sure. Okay, it doesn't turn as well as a 7x7. But yeah, it's an 8x8. And I'm gonna guess the corner cutting is not that great, no. This is not for speed solving, that's for sure. Hey, but it's an 8x8, so I'm really happy with this. Let's just do a little checkerboard pattern action. Yeah, I did it wrong, didn't I? Okay, aligning the layers is not that simple of a task. Minecraft plank pattern, I guess. Yeah, this is my first 8x8 again. Yeah, it's pretty tight, but I mean, it's alright. I don't want to use it for speed solving anyways. So yeah, it's an 8x8. Finally, dude. Let's just continue with the next big cube, because I bought a 5x5. This is the Moyu 5M. I had 5x5 before. This one's magnetic. Do some first turns. First lockup already. That's crazy. That's wild. Okay, worked. The slice layers, they're okay, I guess. I don't feel the magnetic part that much. Yeah, I guess it's okay. It's a fine cube. If I lube it a bit, it's gonna be okay. Let's do checkerboard on that one. Yeah. We've also got a cube stand. That's nice. Then we've got this Moyu accessories box, I guess. And let's see what's inside. We have a Moyu screwdriver, and we also have a little instruction booklet. So yeah, that's cool. So I'm gonna guess there's like a tightening mechanism in here. Yep, there we go. So there's screws here. I can use the Moyu screwdriver to like unscrew it or to set the tightness. It's a bit tight at the moment. Up next, I'm gonna unbox this magnetic 4x4. This one's the Yushin Little Magic 4x4. We got a cube stand. So I've had great experience with the 3x3 version of the Yushin Little Magic. It's my main cube at the moment, because yeah, it's a good cube. This is 4x4 and it needs lube. It is rough. Let me tell you, it is rough right now. It is not lubed in. Like, when this came out of the box, it was so fast, dude. Like, I could not imagine a cube being this fast out of the box, right? But this is just rough, dude. This is not a good cube. I have to put some lube in it. Yeah, I'll do that later. Pieces are really dry. It's also really tight, so yeah, it's not a good cube at the moment. Yeah, at least it's not broken like my other 4x4. Oh my goodness, this is not going well. Gonna focus on something else. I don't have another 4x4, so I'm just gonna unbox 3x3s now. Shang Sha Legend 3x3. Again, we have a little instruction pamphlet here. Yeah, it's just entirely in Chinese. It has a matte finish. I like it actually. It's a nice finish, but it's not magnetic. And it turns okay. Like, it's not too bad, but it's okay. Let's see if we can open the pieces. Oh, they're not easy to open. That's not good. I didn't break anything, luckily. But yeah, I can take the pieces apart, I guess. But it's not that easy. Sad. Because I bought another Shang Sha Legend. And another Shang Sha Legend. And actually, then another, and also another. So that's 6 of them. But actually, I bought 7. This one has stickers, while the other ones are stickerless. I'm gonna make 4 cubes of those. Now, seeing how that taking the piece apart went, that's gonna be pretty annoying. Whatever, I'm just gonna review the cube as it is. It is, obviously it's not magnetic, but it's an okay speed cube in my opinion. Like, you can work with it. I wouldn't main it, obviously. It's okay, and it has normal screws inside. Alright, I guess I'm gonna do a time lapse, but I'm gonna do that later. I'm just gonna unbox the stickered one as well, just to see if that one's any different. Well, obviously it's stickered, so that makes it different. And from the turning, I feel like it's actually a bit smoother and also a bit more flimsy, but like I can turn this one faster, I feel. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely the case. Now let's see if the pieces are interchangeable, because that's why I bought both of them. They should be. Can I put this edge in here? Please. Please, please, please. Don't let this be failing. I mean, it does look similar, but it's not exactly the same, so that's that. Let's see if it works anyways. It doesn't work. Does it like just completely not? It does just completely not work. That's a problem. That's a problem. Because that's what I bought the black one for. Why would they make a cube which comes in stickerless and in stickered and make them have different pieces? I don't get that. Whatever though. Now next we have this. This is the Moyu RS3M 2020. What I've heard about it, it's a great cube. It's a great speed cube. And I hope it replaces my main. Because my main is like 4 years old at this point. So yeah, I hope this will be better. Maybe not out of box, but yeah, I hope this one will be better. It comes wrapped in plastic. And we have this little stand. We have the Moyu accessory box again. Oi, oi, oi. Let's see what's inside the accessory box. This time it's different. It's not just a regular screwdriver. This is for the tightening mechanism, I believe. So this one doesn't have just normal screws. Instead, it has this mechanism inside, which is great because it lets you adjust how the cube feels. It's a bit sandy, but maybe that's just because I haven't put lube in it. But it does feel very high quality. I don't know what I feel about this one. I think it's a bit too tight right now. I don't know. I will figure it out later. First impressions, it's a solid cube. I like it a lot. Maybe I'm even gonna main this, but like it just feels different to the standard experience I have with this one. This one is definitely a bit more flimsy and fast, so maybe this one will improve my souls because it has better look ahead, because I can't turn that fast. Yeah, we'll see. Great cube. I would definitely recommend that. I'm just gonna put this back in the accessories box. I don't want to lose that. It's a bit of a hyped cube, but yeah, I get the hype. It's a good cube. This is the QiYi Sail W, and I bought a bunch of them as well. Like, a bunch of them. And I want to make mods with this one. Like, different shape mods and sticker mods maybe. I don't know, but that's why I bought 11 of them. It's actually a pretty solid speed cube, especially for its price. Like, it cost like $3.40. That's really good for a cube this good, I guess. Center caps, it's just normal screw. Well, what do you expect, right? Yeah, it's definitely a great cube, and I'm gonna make so many mods with this one. Just look at the pieces real quick. They seem to be pretty solid, although maybe they're hollow on the inside. It doesn't matter though. I'm gonna do so many mods of this one, but I'm also gonna let random people, some of my friends, unbox it. So that's gonna be really fun. Oh my goodness, I'm struggling. Oh my goodness, I am struggling to put this piece back in. Okay, got it. Overall, yeah, I guess it's a solid cube. I don't mind it. Yeah, That's the cube. And the 10 more of them. Now I've got some more cubes. I have got this. This is the Moyu RS3M. I think this one's a good cube, but I'm not sure. We're going to see right now if it's a good cube or not, and if it will compete with my main at the time. This one comes with a stand. Oh, it feels a bit loopy. It's relatively tight. You can't just twist the corner like that. Then we've also got the accessories box, as always. Oh my god. This will not come out. It's probably just another screwdriver. Oh, I like the black interior. Okay, it's way too tight. It's way too tight. I don't actually feel the magnets at all. I don't know if this competes with my main. This is not that good. See the corner cutting? Horrible. Both corner cuttings are not that good. Wow. This is not a good cube. Wow, I've been disappointed with the 4x4 performance and the 2x2 performance. And a bit with the RS3M performance, like I thought it was gonna be better. But this one's a solid cube, you know, so I won't complain. We also have this Yushin Little Magic 2x2 magnetic. Let's see if this one's any better than the 4x4 they made. Well, actually, that's basically just, you can only get better than this 4x4. We have a little instruction. We have whatever this is. We also have this cube stand again. Yushin. Okay, this is a lot nicer. Okay, it's also way less tight. Oh, and I like the black interior of the pieces right here. Gonna need some lube, pretty much, yeah. Oh, but the corner cutting's better, I guess. Let's see the reverse. Reverse isn't that good. Yeah, it's actually pretty solid. Like, this will probably replace my main. I don't know, I'm not really used to it, but I guess it's a good cube. Yeah, I'm gonna do some solves on that one later to see if it's good or not. I'm gonna unbox another cube, which is this one. This is a void cube, the QiYi Speed Void Cube 3x3. And I just thought that was so cool. I haven't seen an actual void cube in real life to this point, so I think this is super cool. I just want to see how it works. I think it's a normal 3x3 mechanism inside, but the core is like way different. And first turns, wow, this thing turns amazing. At least for having no center. Yeah, let's just do the parity. So on a void cube you can get parity like this, just because the centers are misaligned. Basically what you then do is you realign them. So what I did there is I did a slice, and then I fixed the other points with an even number of slice moves. This is an amazing cube. I love it, especially since you can do this. It's just a great cube. It also comes with instructions. It's not that interesting, but the cube is really great. I guess it's the best cube I've unboxed today from my expectations versus how it actually was. This is the mechanism. It's just a normal 3x3, but the centers are missing, so I guess that's cool. Great cube, great speed cubing capabilities. If it wasn't a void cube, I would maybe consider it as a main contender. Yeah, it's really great. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. No, we have one more thing.